guys, I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to use your laptop or PC to add photos onto Instagram instead of using a phone. Pretty simple. Go to Instagram.com, log in. Once you're logged in, go to your profile. Go up to these three dots here. Now I'm using Google Chrome, so I don't know about other browsers, but this is using Google Chrome. Click these three dots. Go down to More Tools, Developer Tools. Okay, once this is open, maybe open up like this. But right here, you're going to see this little blue box here. Once it's blue, it's good to go. Okay, and you can move this developer tools inside a little bit more so it gives you more room here. But basically we're on the phone now. See the black dot here? If I just hold down the left key on the mouse, and I can scroll up and down like I'm using my finger. Now, you're not seeing an add a photo down here like you do on the app on their phone. So just hit refresh. And now we see it. So let me just grab a photo off of Google Photos. This is in Lake Mainit in the Philippines, in Mindanao. Big old lake. And I'm just going to download this picture from Google Photos. And it's downloaded. So I will go here. I will add a photo. There it is right there. Hit open. And put a filter on there if I want. I think I'm just gonna, I'll just leave it like that. Click next and write something. And share. And there it is. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, put them down there in the comments. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.